Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can add private tags to paid members of your circle community. Okay, so why would you need this automation? Suppose you have different types of communities on your circle and you are managing different types of clients and customers on that. And that is what circle is all about. You have to manage your clients and customers through different types of communities, and Razorpay is a payment platform. Now what is happening? People are paying you for a particular subscription or for a particular product every month. Now what will happen? Whenever they are going to pay you, you are going to add them into the circle community, or I should say you already have an added list of people in your circle community who are already paying you. So what will happen? Whenever the user will be paying you money, a tag with paid will be added to the name of that person in the circle account or in the circle community. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect Razorpay and Circle together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are here at our screen. So what we have to do now, we have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect and press enter. And as soon as we will press enter, we'll be redirected to this beautiful web page here. And here we have two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can just go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to sign in because I already have an account here. So I'll just sign into my account. Now what I will do, I will just go for access now for Pably Connect. Now here what you can see, let it load. This is my interface, and here I have so many automations already made. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button, create workflow. So let's just give it a name, and we are going to name it Razorpay to Circle because I'm connecting Razorpay to Circle. You can name it whatever you want to, it's up to you. Click on create, and after clicking on create, you will see you will have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what is happening here? First, we are going to have Razorpay payments. And now let me tell you one thing. Whenever we are doing this workflow or whenever we are creating this workflow, keep this thing in mind that your user should already have an account in Circle community or in Circle application, because if he does not have an account on Circle, the tags would not be properly added, or why I'm saying properly, I should say that the tags would not be able to be added to the member or to the customer because he does not have an account on Circle. So you should have that person on Circle, only then your tags will be able to get added. Now what we are going to do here, we are going to capture a payment here. So we will just go for payment captured. Now here you can see we have a webhook URL. Now what is this webhook URL? Webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Pably Connect account with our Razorpay account. And now what we have to do, we have to follow these steps to connect our Pably Connect account to our Razorpay account through webhook. So here it is written, everything. I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So we will go to our Razorpay dashboard. Then we'll go to settings. Here we will go to webhooks, and here we will click on add new webhook. Now here in webhook URL, we are going to copy this webhook URL from Pably Connect and paste it here in Razorpay account. And here we have to search for payment captured and select payment captured. Create webhook. Now you can see webhook has been saved successfully. Now what I'm going to do, I am just going to make a dummy payment, and here you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So I'm just going to make a dummy payment with one of my accounts, and let me just open my Gmail because I want the account of Ryan. Okay. So I want this account. So let me just copy this account from here. And let me just go back to my Razorpay dashboard, and here I'm going to make a payment. So this is one of my payment pages, social media marketing tutorial. Let's just copy this. and open in a new tab. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fill in these fields, and when I'm going to fill in these fields, what will happen, these fields will be reflected here as a webhook response. So let's just go for first name Ryan, last name is Glasgow, email is, okay, this is not the email, I just copied and pasted my page. So I'm just going to go back and copy this email here, and again I'll go back here and I'll put this here, Glasgow Ryan 058@gmail.com. Now phone number, I'm using a dummy number here, price, street, Rose Street, city is Bhopal, country is India, pin code is 462001. Okay, now I'm just going to click on pay, and as soon as I'm going to pay this, you will see a webhook response will come there. So let me just put in the dummy card number, expiry is this, card holder's name is Ryan Glasgow, and CVV is this. Now pay 400 rupees, skip saving card, and now we have to pay. So we will just put in dummy OTP here and I'll just submit it, and as soon as I will submit it, you can see the payment is successful, and here I have the webhook response by the name Ryan Glasgow, and you can see this is the webhook response, this is the name on card, this is the Gmail, this is the number, this is the first name, this is the last name. Okay, so our first step of connecting our Razorpay account with our Pabbly Connect account is completed. Now what we are going to do, we are going to choose here in our action steps circle, and now what we are going to do in circle, we are going to tag a member. So we will select this option, tag a member here, and then we will click on connect. Now we will go for add new connection, and here you can see we have two fields, API token and host. So what you are going to do, first you are going to put in the host. What will be the host? Host will be the text between your home and HTTPS. And here it is written, what is your host? Enter your circle account host. If your account URL is this, then your host will be this. Okay. Now here you can see it is asking me for the API token. So you can read the instructions to get the API token. I'm just going to go and tell you how to do this. So you will go to circle, then you will go to accounts and settings. After clicking on settings, you will search for API. So go for API, and here you can create an API token. I am going to create this API token for Razorpay to circle and click on create. So now you can see Razorpay to circle is our new API. Copy this API token here, paste this API token here and click on save. Now it is asking you for the email, community ID and member tag. So email, I am going to just use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here and it will let me put the data here in this window. So I'm just going to take the email here, and email is glasgowryan@gmail.com. So this is glasgowryan@gmail.com. Community ID is Pabbly. This is my community ID, Pabbly. And here member tag. So I have two member tags here, Pabbly Connect and paid user. Let me first show you my member. You can see here we have Ryan Glasgow and tags is Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to add one more tag here, which is paid user. Now what is the tag and how you can create it? So what you can do is you can just go to settings here. Then you can go to member tags, and here you can create a new member tag. Like I have created two tags, paid user and Pabbly Connect. So you can create more member tags by using this option, create a member tag. I am going to use this tag, paid user. So what I am going to do, let's just go back here. And here you can see we have only one tag with Ryan Glasgow, which is Pabbly Connect. So I'll go back here and I'll select the tag paid user and I'll click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see a response has been, showing here as success one, which means let's go to Pabbly Connect again. Sorry, let's go back to circle again and let's refresh this. So you can see here we have Pabbly Connect, and now we have another tag with this name paid user for Ryan Glasgow. So you can do this same with other members as well. But as I told you earlier, that we need to have that member in our circle account. If he is available, if he is a member of circle, then only the tags will get added to him. If he does not have an account on circle, the tags would not be able to get added to his name. Okay, now this is how you can connect your Razorpay and circle all together, so that whenever a payment has been captured in your Razorpay account, a tag will be added to that particular member who has been paying you through Razorpay. Okay, now, if you love this workflow and if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go and clone it from my description box into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.